Yo, what up guys? It's been a long time since I've done a vlog. It's Stadio.sm if you've watched my other channel. I ended up vlogging in a while, so I decided for this day and a few other days I might record a few videos to see what's going on. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but yeah, it's raining. Really bad. Shit. I just came in from basketball, so this is like crazy. This is absolutely mental. There's definitely no basketball tomorrow. Definitely no basketball tomorrow. But actually, I actually like to play basketball in this weather, like while it's still raining, because don't know if you hear me, but you know what I mean. It just makes it feel fresh. Makes you feel fresh when you're playing basketball in the rain. You know what I'm saying? Also, I just gotta create a Mountain Dew. Now I'm saying, Mount. 24 for 20. Can't argue with that. Can't. I don't always get Mountain Dew, but when I do, I get 24 for 20. I know, right?
How about this? Anyway, yeah. Hi, I'm Charles.
Yo, what up guys? I just wanted to give like a little brief thing about this, kind of like it's not a proper project, but it's like a side project, and we're just messing about with it. It's like an album thing called Red Nation. It's kind of like a parody of the game song Red Nation, and it's got Pharrell with Bird Noises. You've probably heard them before if you've ever listened to them. But we've made his own YouTube page basically, and we've started doing his own tunes and that. I'll put a link to it in the description probably, but okay, I'll just show like a clip of it. This is me doing the Miami Heat intro.
Stand up, and make some noise for your Miami.
St. Mary High School. Right, so that's like basically that one. And here's a teaser of the second track. It's called Copycats. We've done some more work on it, yeah, but this is just a teaser. Okay, guys. Yeah, just check it out if you want. Yeah. Peace out. So I heard of this rate good anime. It's about dancing. But I totally forgot the name of it. Wait. Oh, here it is. Alright, here it is. Let's get a dance.